slide this on, okay, like such. Boom, done. 30-minute job. The hardest part is this tab. Make sure you don't break it. Hey everybody, we're out here in the driveway on this brisk evening trying to get a job done. As you saw in my previous videos, this is a 2021 Chevy Trax. We did the oil, the filter, blah blah, whatever. Apparently a common problem on any of these Chevys with this little engine is the purge solenoid, which is up here. From what I've read online, this has something to do with the evap system. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I've read. Apparently this is a very, very common problem. It's this little guy right here. Here's a replacement part. This came from Advance, Jeff? AutoZone?
AutoZone, I believe.
AutoZone. There's your Dorman part number. It's the purge valve. I've read online that up to 2017 or so, there is a recall on them, but this is 2021. It's not covering the recall or the warranty. Not good on Chevy. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this. It looks very simple. It looks like there's a line here, a plug there, a slide here, and a line there. I've already got this one loose. If you look at it, you just pinch it and it will release those two tabs. This one will have a little green thing. I'll probably need a flathead and a flathead, and unhook this, and this is going to be like a 15-minute job hopefully. Okay, so the electrical connector, I got this loose. Got the electrical connector. This just pulls off of there. You'll see it's got a rubber grommet. The new one's got a rubber grommet, so I'll have to take that rubber grommet off and put the new one on. This electrical connector is kind of a pain. You have to pull this back, and then when I was pushing it down, it was not releasing, so I took a flathead and put it under here and popped up and then just slid off. This connector right here is kind of weird. I have to take a minute and look at it and figure it out, because when you push it in, you can hear it click, but it doesn't release. So I gotta take a minute and figure this out. Once I get that done, it'll just go on there, put that in, done. There's like not even any bolts to it. So, okay, so Jeff's gonna be the cameraman. This tab right here, get in here close, Jeff. This green tab, it's actually two tabs. You got a front tab and a back tab. So take your flat part and you'll pop the front up real easy, because this will break. Okay, front comes up. As you can see, it comes up. When it comes up, the back part right here, push down, comes out. Ta-da. Now, Jeff, keep holding that camera. We'll put this back in first. Okay, you'll hear it click. Push the top down. Take your wiring harness, put it on. Okay, click it. Now this should slide back. You'll hear it click again. Now, make sure this goes behind that hose. Okay, like that. This will go down. You will feel it click and you'll hear it. Now you'll want to make sure this rubber grommet from the old one comes off, because you get a new one. Slide this on, okay, like such. Boom, done. 30-minute job. The hardest part is this tab. Make sure you don't break it. Flathead, done. Not good on Chevy. So